Hello guys, it's Daniel Torres, and look at, it's such a nice day out. I finally got my iPod fixed, and I want to take you to my chickens, because I didn't think you guys knew I got chickens, but I didn't think you guys knew that, but I thought you did, but yeah, I'm going to take you to my chickens. And then we'll be doing some GoPro videos. My GoPro Hero 3, got it on my iPod again. Yeah. Alright, we're at the chickens and look at them. Hey, Roadrunner. After they come down, let's see. Let's go up the chicken coop. Okay, we're going up. Oh, oh. Nice one. No, they didn't lay any eggs. What a shame. I thought they were gonna lay some eggs, once my dad already got some. Look at that beautiful sunshine. See ya.